Fangs meet flesh. Or so the predator thinks. The king of beasts recoils, screaming, clawing at his own muzzle. 30 hollow spikes embedded deep into the most sensitive nerves on his face. He came for dinner. He found a nightmare.
Hours before the attack, twilight bleeds across the African plains. The killers wake up. 6 lionesses. One dominant male weighing 400 pounds of pure muscle. They form the hunting formation.
The females begin the test. They dart forward. They retreat. They want him to panic. They want him to expose his vulnerable stomach. But panic is not in his programming. He pivots, always keeping the armored side facing the threat. The alpha male grows impatient. He has never tasted defeat. Pride overrides caution. He launches. 400 pounds airborne.
The lionesses are enraged. They smell weakness. They smell blood. The noose tightens. One female rushes in from the side. She swipes with her massive paw, attempting to flip him onto his back. Denied. He slams his body sideways into her strike. The quills act like a spiked battering ram. She pulls back a paw full of needles, each one a slow-acting poison dart. In the confusion, discipline shatters.
Adrenaline drains from his system. His heart rate begins to slow. But there is a second battlefield. Calories. That armor weighs heavy. Maintaining it requires constant fuel. He needs roots, bulbs, tubers buried beneath the savanna floor. Technically, he is classified as a rodent, but he does not scurry like a mouse.
A puff adder lies coiled in the dirt. Perfect camouflage. A living landmine loaded with tissue-destroying venom. He steps directly onto the snake's body. His nose is filled with the scent of the root. He does not detect the danger until it is too late. High above, draped in the branches, the leopard watches. She is not a sledgehammer like the lion. She is a scalpel. Precision, patience, calculation. She studies his wattle. She analyzes the armor plating. She identifies the weakness. The quills point backward. The shield works against pursuit, not against gravity. She does not announce herself. She does not waste energy on threats. She calculates trajectory. She aims for the skull, the only exposed inch of flesh.
He moves towards the edge of his territory, but the path forward is occupied.
Dawn approaches. The fortress is running on fumes. He has survived the king, the assassin, and the general. But the worst has been saved for last. The sun rises on the battlefield. The survivor emerges. He is battered, missing patches of armor, bleeding from shallow wounds. But he is alive. He is the ultimate paradox of the wild. A slow, nearly blind rodent that walks openly among giants. He does not need to be king of the jungle.